All right, my friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about opinion essays. And this might be a review, or it might be your first time looking at the mechanics of writing an opinion essay. We need to think clearly about what we're writing and why. And when we're writing an opinion, we're writing what we're thinking about. So if you look at these five questions here. Do you think women should have jobs? Why or why not? Describe something expensive you would like to own. In your opinion, is it better to live in a village or a city? Write a description of the most beautiful city you know. What do you think is the best type of food? So which three of these are opinion questions? Well, they're those ones. Do you think? In your opinion, what do you think? And it's really important when we're writing an opinion essay that we're writing about what we think and why. A description essay just describes something. It doesn't go deeper than what it looks like, what it does, why we like it. Our opinions have to go further. We need to include reasons as well as examples. And that's going to come in the body. Now, there's a very deliberate structure to an opinion essay, and I want you to think about this clearly. And when you're writing these things, you need to, it's a good idea to keep a copy of the structure beside you, so you know what your plan is and how you're going to write about it. So your introduction will be 3 sentences. That's for level 209, that's a decent beginning. Your body needs to be a minimum of 7 sentences. And your conclusion should be a minimum of 2 sentences. And you need to put that page break, that space in between them, to make it clear what you're doing. Your introduction introduces the topic. It tells the reader what you're writing about. It tells your opinion. The body gives 3 reasons and 3 examples. Your conclusion summarizes the topic. It states your opinion again, but in a different way, and you repeat your reasons, but not your examples. So here's a sample. Some people think it is good to have a party indoors, but others prefer to celebrate outdoors. What do you think? Well, the introduction. Some people think it is good to have a party indoors, but others prefer to celebrate outside. In my opinion, it is better to have a party indoors. In this essay, I will explain my reasons for my opinion. I have 3 main reasons for my opinion. My first reason is that, for example, secondly, this means. My third reason is that, for instance. Now look at that. There's 3 reasons. Reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3, with an example for each. For example, this means for instance. And I have a topic sentence for my paragraph. I have 3 main reasons for my opinion. This is a basic opinion body paragraph. Your conclusion should have 2 sentences or more. In conclusion, I think having a party indoors is better because reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. I advise everyone to have good times inside. And I haven't repeated my opinion word for word. I've repeated the idea, but I've changed the words. Now, there are special words in an opinion essay called connectors or signal words. It means the same thing. Don't be confused. You need to use these to help bring all your sentences in the body together. These words are like glue. They stick everything together and make it easy to read. If you don't use these words, you will probably lose points. These words help. They help you write. They help you remember everything you need to put in. So please use them. Here they are. In this essay, in my opinion, for example, and in conclusion. My first reason is that I believe that, for instance. Secondly, finally. In this essay, in my opinion, these words you'll find in your introduction and your conclusion. For example, and for instance, you'll find in the body. My first reason is that. Secondly and finally, that sets up your 3 reasons. For example and for instance, that sets up your examples. You can stretch your vocabulary on this. You can add, other words than this structure, and we'll get to that. But this is the basic structure of your opinion essay: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. And I'd like to see you master this first. Good luck. Work hard and keep writing.